Hello, Dr. Strickland. This is Tanya Amit. I am recording my reflection number 1, and I hope that you are able to see me clearly. I'm using the iPod Touch this week, ready to reflect on my topic and what I've learned this week. My topic again is change management regarding organizational change and how effective leadership can affect the employee engagement of the work team throughout organizational change. What have I learned this week about research? I've learned that research takes a lot of time. I've learned that there's different types of research. I found some quantitative and qualitative research articles through my scouting around this week. I've learned a lot about the Penn State Library database system. I really found it helpful last class to have Bernadette come in and give an overview of some of the databases and some best tips for searching. So I found that it takes a long time, but if you put forth the effort, you can really find some good, solid research that exists that are helpful in many ways, not only just with definitions or key concepts, but things that are really relative to my topic. Challenges that I have encountered, I would say just finding the right terms to use in my research, and when I'm trying to do a search, formulating my words so the topic comes out clearly in my results. Sometimes the way I have put in my keywords, I found topics that are not exactly what I'm looking for, even though I thought my keywords were correct. I have been using the thesaurus, and I've picked up on some keywords in some of the articles that I found useful and have been trying to reuse those words as well. I've also found by doing some of the keyword quotes for my Excel record, I found that it's a challenge to understand how to quote a quote that's already in my article. So I'd like to maybe go over that a little bit in class, just to make sure I'm doing that correctly on my Excel sheet and then in my lit review. Successes, I've found some articles. I found, like I said, both qualitative and quantitative articles. It's been a little bit more of a challenge for me to find qualitative articles regarding my topic. I found more quantitative. I'm not sure if that's more common or not. What have I learned about myself as a consumer of research? I would say I've learned how to better read research articles. That's mostly what I've been focusing on, is articles. What to look for as far as methodologies, charting, and a few things in the articles. Maybe we can, I'm sure, go over that more in class throughout the next couple weeks. I think I need to better understand that, but I've learned not to just go to the conclusion page or the research review page, but to really understand what it is that the study is doing, using research that is done by the actual person writing the article has been helpful, where it's not just a report of other people's research. So I think I will better be able to understand who's writing the article and from what viewpoint they are coming from. Next steps, I foresee I really need to work on my keywords and focusing in on what I want to research and narrowing down my topic. I need to better identify the group of participants I would utilize and focus on for the study. Right now I'm a little broad with just general employees in the workplace. I also think I need to focus on what types of leadership skills I'm looking for, specific behaviors. Again, right now I think I'm a little vague, but I feel like I'm at a good point with getting started with my research. So I'm enjoying this a lot. I found this very interesting. I did a lot of reading of articles a few semesters ago with public administration course that I took, and I wish I would have had this class first because I basically just read those articles and tried to grasp some understanding, but I think if I would have understood what type of research I was looking at and the goal of the articles, I may have had a little bit more insight as to what I was reading in that class. So I do appreciate this opportunity, and I'm really learning a lot, and I'm enjoying, even though the research is taking time, I'm enjoying what I have learned and what I'm able to accomplish with my topic. So thank you, and I will see you in class.